So I just wanted to make a quick video here. It has nothing to do with EDC or anything like that, but more of how much YouTubers make on this platform, shorts versus long form videos. Now I watch a lot of YouTube myself, and I was watching one of my favorite channels, and I'm not gonna say his name or anything like that, but he mentioned that one of his friends was talking about how much money they made on YouTube shorts. And supposedly he had hundreds of millions of views and only made 70 bucks. And I was like, I don't think that's right. Maybe with the old creators fund that YouTube had in place before they started running ads on their shorts, I can see that being true, because right before they started running ads, I had a total of 2.2 million views on my shorts and got paid literally 22 cents. That's right, 22 cents. So after he said 70 bucks, I was a little curious myself on how much my videos were making. And if you guys are curious yourself, I'm going to show you exactly right here. This is my video analytics right here. And this is a short that has 1.9 million views, but it says 2 million. I don't think it hit 2 million yet. But you can see right there, it says my estimated revenue is $161.37. Now, I don't have a short or a video that's exactly at 1 million. So kind of have to do a little bit of math here. And that's about $80 to $85 per million views. And you can see right there where it says views revenue for every 1,000 views, RPM, 0.09 cents. So that's pretty crazy. So once again, shorts, they're not really making a lot of money here, but it's a lot better than what it used to be now that they started running ads on these videos. Now let me click over to one of my videos that has over 1.5 million views, and it's a long form video. 1 second. I have to do this with one hand. Right here, this is my Ridge Wallet video. It has 1.5 million views, and you can see $29,492. Now, that's a little crazy. If I go down here, it says revenue for every 1,000 views, $19.48. Now, this was a shock to me, because when this video first hit 1 million, it was right around 10 grand. So that's saying from 1 million to 1.5 million, it jumped 19,400 and so odd dollars, whatever it might be. So as you can see, obviously long form videos, you're gonna make a heck of a lot more money than you will on shorts. So average out, this comes out to be about 20,000 per million. But I know that's wrong, because they must have jacked up this RPM like crazy between 1 million and 1.5. So this example right here, you can really see the difference between shorts and long form videos. Also, it's going to vary by creator, and it's going to vary by views and what sort of content, your subject matter within those videos. This video happens to just be a wallet review. If you're doing something controversial, I think your RPM is going to be much lower than $19.48. All right, so hopefully that gives you guys a little bit better of an idea how much money YouTubers are making per million views. Actually, per 1,000 views, really, because they break it down per 1,000 views, RPM. And the difference between 9 cents and $19.48, that's absolutely insane to me. And if there are any other creators watching this video, let me know in the comments below how this compares to your content, because the jump between 10,000 to 29,000, almost 30 grand, is absolutely insane to me with only a jump of 500,000 views.